Hello everyone, welcome back. We have a Galaxy DX-979 today. This is the Pro version. We've done some RX modifications and alignments. We've aligned the synthesizer and transmitter of this radio, and this is for Angie in Virginia. Angie, this is what we got out of it. See right there, about a 5-watt dead key. This is 0 to 10 right here. 1, 2, 4, and then 5 is right there. Then we bring the power down all the way to the bottom. We got a 1-watt dead key. Alright, over here on the peak power, turn this volume down a little bit.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breaker, break, 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 break. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check.
Alright, we're going to bring it over to sideband now.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, let's put her in there to see what we can get.